GTTI 2011 Combat Master John Wick 3. With markings. So license markings yan. Metal yung slide, metal din yung frame. Naka fiber optic sights, front sight. Then base plate. May magwell na rin, TTI. Naka-enlarge magazine release. Test natin, chrono check. Shoutout kay Sir Lon. $393. Guys, for details, mag-PM kayo sa page namin, Mavs Hobby PH.